Now we will start the lesson on objective endings in Farsi. As we talked, there are 6 different endings in Farsi. Mim, te, she, man, tan, shan. When these endings are attached to a noun, they are functioning as a possessive adjective. But whenever the same endings are attached to a verb, they are functioning as a objective ending. So let's look at some example. For example, we have the verb خریدم. I bought. Now you want to say I bought it. So you can add the ending shin, which is it, and have خریدمش. خریدمش means I bought it. So the ending, when it's attached to a verb, it functions as an objective ending. Another example, the verb خوردن, to eat. Now خوردم. خوردم, I ate. Now if you attach shin again, is خوردمش. I ate it. So it's important. It functions as an objective ending whenever it is attached to a verb. Let's look at another example, a compound verb. The verb to like, دوست داشتن. دوست داری, you like. Now you want to say that you like him or her, or you like me, or you like them. So you can add that ending to the first part of the compound verb. So these endings are not attached to the verbal part of the compound verb. In this example, for example, you can say دوستشان داری means you like them. So you don't attach the ending to the verbal part of the compound verb. It should be attached to the non-verbal part of the compound verb. Another example for the compound verb, the verb to open, باز کردن. So you want to say that I opened it. So you have the non-verbal part, and then you have the verbal part. Say باز کردیم, we opened. So you want to say that we opened it. You add the ending to the non-verbal part of the compound verb. بازش کردیم, we opened it. So we review again the lesson. These endings, whenever they are attached to a verb, they are objective ending. The other point is that they can only get attached to a verb that is transitive. Transitive verb is a verb that can have an object. For example, the verb to go, رفتن, it's not a transitive verb because it doesn't need. It's not a transitive verb because it doesn't need any object. Or to sit, you don't need an object, so you cannot use these endings with an intransitive verb. And another important point is related to the compound verbs, that these endings are just attached to the non-verbal part of a compound verb. And the last point is that this structure is just used in spoken Persian. In formal Persian and in written Persian, in books and newspapers, you cannot find this structure. It is just used in spoken Persian.